morning, Parkland, and welcome back to Tips and Tricks on how I do stuff and things with Brooke and Gianna. I'm Brooke.
And I'm Gianna. If you're anything like us, you can't wait for the bell to ring today at exactly 1 o'clock because you know what that means, Thanksgiving break. It is a great way to kick off the holiday season, but there's always a few issues here and there. Because of that, we're going to give you 5 tips and tricks on how to have the best Thanksgiving break.
Tip number 1. Tonight we challenge you to find a Thanksgiving-related movie and watch it to get into the Thanksgiving feeling. If you're struggling to find a good one, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles and a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving are always classics.
I don't know about you, but my family always has way too many leftovers. So for tip number 2, here's a few different things you could do with them. Rather than making boring turkey or ham sandwiches, you can make a wrap with leftover meats and veggies. You can also make turkey tacos. With mashed potatoes, you can make them into tiny little patties and then cook them on the stove. My parent makes this really good turkey mush. Take the turkey and blend it with celery and mayo, then plop it on the sourdough bread.
No.
It looks and sounds disgusting, but it's so good. It's like baby food, but not for babies.
That is so horrible. So anyways, now for tip number 3. As much as we love our families, Thanksgiving isn't just about eating food with our relatives. Friends are also a very important part of all our lives and something to be thankful for, so have them over for a Friendsgiving. Each person can bring a little snack and then you'll be all good to go.
Tip number 4. We both understand that all the festivities could be a little overwhelming, but remember, it's a holiday. Don't let yourself get stressed out. Just be thankful for the time you're able to spend with your loved ones.
Speaking of the family, sometimes we run out of things to talk about. After the 40-minute conversation about our classes, grades, and current hobbies, things may get a little awkward. Because of that, here's tip number 5. Don't be a chicken and crack some jokes. My family wants me to stop telling Thanksgiving jokes, but I said that I couldn't just quit cold turkey. Besides, who doesn't love some gourd humor? And if you aren't getting the laughs you clearly deserve, tell them to stop marshmallow. That'll give them pumpkin to talk about.
And that brings us to the end of this week's tips and tricks on how to do stuff and things with Brooke and Gianna. I'm Gianna.
And I'm Brooke. Have a great break and good luck for getting that wishbone, Parkland.